You're a creative services firm, a small ad agency, graphic design firm, maybe even a video production house. Inevitably, one of your clients is going to ask you for help with an interactive project. Well, what do? You don't want to miss out on the income, but most importantly, you don't want the interactive project to go to a competitor with overlapping capabilities and risk the entire account. And how much do you really know about launching successful interactive initiatives? Today, developing a website goes way beyond adding buttons to a print brochure. There's a delivery model that needs to be followed. All agencies have different models, and ours is spelled out right here. There are different phases of development. There's discover, define, design, develop, and deliver phases of our delivery model. All of the phases in the delivery model require a certain level of expertise. Large interactive agencies have the depth of staff with experts in these disciplines. Digital strategists, information architects, interaction designers, they've got VPs of user experience design and a roster of many other titles. Boutique interactive firms have a lot of these capabilities, but rarely do they have the depth of a larger interactive agency. Freelancers, though usually extremely talented, are usually limited to one or two of the core competencies to deliver a complete solution. Which brings us back to your firm's in-house capabilities. We're generalizing quite a bit with this illustration, but the point is it's usually a designer and a developer with support from other team members that may not have the expertise specifically in interactive. Then there's the question of feasibility. In this graph, we demonstrate how capability, availability, and profitability interplay in these options. Boutique firms have a bit less capability than their larger counterparts, but their rates and availability are considerably better. Freelancers' expertise is very specialized, and you'll need to assemble and manage a diverse team to get the level of service of a boutique firm or a larger agency. In-house teams are potentially the most profitable and the most available of these options as long as their utilization rate is high. And since your core competency is not interactive, you're probably not staffed with all the expert roles to consistently deliver successful interactive initiatives. This is why OCTAVEdigitalworks was created. We offer the capabilities of a large interactive agency, the profitability of freelancers and boutique firms with the availability of an in-house team. Our client engagement begins with a capabilities assessment that identifies your team's strengths and weaknesses in the interactive services arena. For example, you may be an ad agency with a great graphic designer with some web development experience. We'll interview her to understand the depth of that experience to properly assign her in our delivery model. When this assessment is complete, we review the report with you and present an optimized work breakdown structure based on our findings that aligns the roles and responsibilities of our team with yours. So in the end, your team has the capability of a large interactive agency, but a much more profitable solution with a higher degree of availability. If you'd like to learn more about OCTAVEdigitalworks, reach out to us on Twitter @OCTAVEdigital. Thanks.